मुझे जो भी मेरे साथ अन्याय हुआ है उसके बारे में बात की। वो हमारे सबके गार्डियन हैं यहाँ पे एंड जिस तरह से मेरे साथ सुलूक हुआ है उस बारे में मैंने वही बात की, वही हमारी आज ब्रीफ जो भी मीटिंग हुई उसके बारे में मैंने उन्हें बताया एंड आई होप कि जस्टिस बी गिवन टू मी, ताकि जो हमारे देश के जो लोग हैं और जो बच्चियां हैं खासकर उनका जो फेथ है वो सिस्टम में रिस्टोर हो। और मैं कोई पॉलिटिशियन तो हूँ नहीं और मेरा कोई पॉलिटिक्स से लेना देना तो है नहीं। एज अ कॉमन पर्सन, एज अ सिटीजन, एज समबडी हु हैज़ started from a scratch in this city which has given me so much, आज अचानक से जब मेरे साथ ऐसा अभद्र व्यवहार हुआ है तो आई एम वेरी मच प्रिविलेज्ड और ये मेरे भाग्य हैं कि गवर्नर सर ने मुझे एक बेटी की तरह सुना और मेरी जो भी है मुझे सहानुभूति दी और मैं ये उम्मीद करती हूँ कि मुझे न्याय मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
फ्यूचर में कुछ कहना चाहोगे आज जो सामने? थैंक यू।
आघाड़ी की स्थापना करने के बाद कांग्रेस एनसीपी
That was Kangana Ranaut, and we have the full details of what she has said. We'll just put that out on the screen right now. Kangana Ranaut has told the governor of Maharashtra that she feels unsafe, and we have the full details. We'll play out the soundbite once again. The entire soundbite of Kangana Ranaut and her conversation with the Maharashtra governor. And that was Kangana who just spoke out and said that she was being harassed for raising her voice, and that she wants to reveal everything to the investigators. In fact, she has also said she wants to continue with her work but not being allowed to do that. She was at the governor's residence along with her sister, and that she wants to be allowed to work and is currently not being allowed to do that. We have the full soundbite. Let's try and play out the full soundbite of Kangana Ranaut. We're getting in more pictures from Raj Bhavan in Mumbai. We're cutting across to those pictures. Those are pictures of Kangana Ranaut reaching. And we will just play out the soundbite as well. And that she wants to be allowed to fulfill her dream in the city of Mumbai. And that she respects Mumbai like none other, but she will continue to raise her voice against the unjust and the cabal in Bollywood. And she says she's being threatened at various levels and that she's tense and she worries about the security of herself and her family, and has thanked the governor for giving her the time to meet. Those are the pictures that are coming in. We'll also play out the full soundbite once again. Those are the pictures. And once again, details of what Kangana Ranaut has discussed with the governor of Maharashtra. She says she's feeling unsafe and that she's being targeted and harassed for raising her voice, and that she knows a lot about the investigation that is on, and she wants to speak out. She wants to speak out and is being harassed for raising her voice. And she feels that Mumbai is her karma bhumi and that she can't be thrown out. Let's play out her soundbite once again.
So I had a meeting with His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra, Bhagan Singh Koshyare, और मैंने उनसे मुझे जो भी मेरे साथ अन्याय हुआ है उसके बारे में बात की। वो हमारे सबके गार्डियन हैं यहाँ पे एंड जिस तरह से मेरे साथ सुलूक हुआ है उस बारे में मैंने वही बात की, वही हमारी आज ब्रीफ जो भी मीटिंग हुई उसके बारे में मैंने उन्हें बताया एंड आई होप कि जस्टिस बी गिवन टू मी, ताकि जो हमारे देश के जो लोग हैं और जो बच्चियां हैं खासकर उनका जो फेथ है वो सिस्टम में रिस्टोर हो। और मैं कोई पॉलिटिशियन तो हूँ नहीं और मेरा कोई पॉलिटिक्स से लेना देना तो है नहीं। एज अ कॉमन पर्सन, एज अ सिटीजन, as somebody who has started from a scratch in this city which has given me so much, आज अचानक से जब मेरे साथ ऐसा अभद्र व्यवहार हुआ है तो आई एम वेरी मच प्रिविलेज्ड और ये मेरे भाग्य हैं कि गवर्नर सर ने मुझे एक बेटी की तरह सुना और मेरी जो भी है मुझे सहानुभूति दी और मैं ये उम्मीद करती हूँ कि मुझे न्याय मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
In fact, let me go across to Aishwarya, who's picking up all the details of what Kangana discussed with the governor. Aishwarya.
Well, absolutely, Niranjan. We are being told that it was a 40-plus minute meeting one-on-one, and also the sister of Kangana Ranaut was rather briefly present in the beginning. We are being clearly told that Kangana has clearly stated that she's feeling unsafe. Kangana has clearly stated that she is feeling threatened. Kangana is saying that she knows a lot regarding lot of issues and she wants to speak. She had mentioned the cabal. She has mentioned a group which is against her. She has mentioned that she feels that her Karma Bhumi is Mumbai and she cannot be thrown out of Mumbai. She has said that like any other Indian citizen, she should be allowed to fulfill her dream in the city of Mumbai. She has asked for the intervention of the governor. She has asked that the governor should intervene and speak to the chief minister. And while this is happening, parallelly we've seen that what senior Sena leader Sanjay Raut has said, but she has categorically asked for the intervention of the governor in this matter. She has said that she will not go anywhere. She has said that she wants to stay. She said that the manner in which her office and then her residence, her ghar, she has used the word sapno ka ghar, has been threatened to be completely torn apart. This is something which the governor needs to look at, and she is asking for the governor to speak to the chief minister in this regard, and she says that she has a lot of information that is very, very crucial. Kangana Ranaut to the governor, according to our sources, is saying that she wants to reveal it all. She has mentioned about the cabal. She has mentioned about a particular group of individuals who are scared of her now. She has mentioned that they want to stop her from speaking, but she will not. In the same breath, we are being told that she has also mentioned, Niranjan, that she is not going to stop in revealing and speaking the truth. She wants protection. She says that she wants the governor to intervene so that, like any other Indian citizen, Kangana Ranaut is also allowed. Kangana Ranaut is also allowed to express her feelings and also stand for the truth.